What's up, guys? We're going on a cruise, and later today we're installing a wing on the RX7. It's gonna be a pretty eventful day. We're gonna put some gas, and then we'll see y'all at our meetup spot. I smoked something in the middle of the road, and I don't know what it was. It might have been part of Eric's car. Let's see if we got a damage report. Oh, it doesn't look like it. So me and the neighbor's kid have been cleaning up. I got some child labor here, some free child labor. We're making a little bit of progress. We swept, took some stuff off the shelf, picked up some tools, and then speaking of the devil, pull up. Come on, buddy. Right there, that's good. The new wing. All right, we got the 9 Lives Racing wing. Let's see. Oh, that sounds good. Oh, that doesn't sound good. This thing is so giant. All right. This thing is massive, bro. What do you think? I want to look like a ricer. Technically, this is as wide as the car for like racing requirements. I think as wide as the mirrors or the body. I think it's as wide as the body. All right, so I guess we're gonna figure out how to install it, right? I don't know how to install it.
I don't either.
This is technically wider than the old wing where it mounts down. So I'm gonna have to drill new holes into the trunk. Don't wanna do. Let's start taking the old one off. Yeah, you got that? Okay. Take the wings off these brackets first, and then I'm gonna reach in here, deep in there, with the wrench to get the bolts out, or the nuts off the bolts. And then I think for the new wing, it's spaced a little bit further out, which is gonna make it even harder. But what I think we're gonna do is with the hole saw, cut in here, just to give us some straight access points to it. So let's get this off. There you go. It's light enough, I can take it. All right, this wing is the original Mazda Speed wing. So this thing is like priceless, I think. So the new wing was like $1,200. And then I'm an idiot and I ordered it late. So I paid $550 for rush shipping, plus $200 for the gurney flaps. And I'm hoping it came with side plates. I think it did come with the side plates. But all in all, I think I was close to like $2,000, which is a lot. Kind of regret it, but that's okay. All right, so the old wing is off. We still have to replace these brackets right here, or take these off. But now that the wing is off, it at least makes it easier to loosen the nuts underneath and play with them and shift this around when we take it off. So I'm gonna start taking that off. If I can find the wrench, where's the wrench pad? All right. The bolt's gone. We got the plastic piece off. Comes straight up. The wrap's kind of ruined tonight.
Yeah, nice wrap job.
Well, technically it is because this goes under and I just poked the hole through. So anyways, we got the black piece off. We gotta work on the other side now. Get it off. So we'll get that one and then open up the new wing, start measuring it and cutting holes in here. And the nerve-wracking part. All right. See, I ordered gurney flaps and Unless it comes in pieces. The gurney flaps come in pieces. So let's see what's in this box first. All right, got some stickers. Oh, okay, this felt like the end plates. So it looks like it does come with the end plates. Oh, one. Got a QR code on there. That's kind of cool, yeah. I ordered a vinyl kit. It comes in aluminum. So you're not blinding people. I guess you could blind people, but you get the black vinyl so that, yeah, you get an advantage on the track. So you can get it powder coated for a couple $100. I think it's like $200 or something. And I think this was like 50 to 100. So I figured I'd rather wrap it just in case I ever wrap the car a different color. I can just continue to wrap the wing. I don't know exactly how we're gonna do this. It didn't come with instructions. So what I think we're gonna have to do is measure how far apart the uprights are and then add the thickness that this goes on the outside. And then from there, I guess figure out the difference in the bolt holes. I don't know. So we're gonna have to do a bunch of measurements and figure out what we're gonna do to install this, because I don't want to cut more than once. That's gonna suck. So, and then also figure out, I guess, which one. Oh, I guess this is the outside. So that solves that. All right.
Use the drill holes all the way to measure.
Yeah, you can do that. Go off of that. Yeah. Okay. All right. So we're gonna get to measurements. All right, so we figured we're just gonna put masking tape on the trunk, and then what we're gonna do is assemble the wing, set it on top, and evenly space it on each side, mark the holes, and then drill. We figured that's the easiest way than trying to get measurements off of it and whatever. So we're just gonna put masking tape first so we don't ruin the wrap, or God forbid the metal goes through the wrap and then hits the paint. So this will protect it a little bit more. All right, let's go assemble the wing. Eight and a half millimeters, that's 2 millimeters. This is 9. That's like 9 exactly. Let's check front to back again. All right, so we're just gonna mark the holes with the Sharpie. Yes, it's a black Sharpie on black painter's tape, but it still shows through it. So we'll be good. So we'll mark all the holes, and then afterwards we'll make sure that on the bottom end it's not conflicting with anything. We're gonna try and drill like a pilot hole just to get them started.
Wait, close it all the way.
Are we sure we did everything?
I don't fucking know.
Jesus Christ. I never in my life thought that I'd be in the position to like drill holes in an RX7. Here we are. What do I do? I mean, do I just drill the bigger holes now? Or should we put the wing over and see if it fits? You can, how'd you end up with it like that? Did you manually do that? And this one are here and there, and we knew that was about gonna happen. Okay. Oh, this one, oh. Oh, I'm an idiot, look. I drilled straight through, bro. That was not supposed to happen. That's okay, okay. So the holes line up here. Every hole's lined up here.
Yep.
All 4?
Pretty good, yeah.
Dude. Hell yeah, I mean, let's...
One that's a little bit off, but it should be fine.
I think this arm also flexes a little bit.
Oh, okay.
So that might be also part of it. Can you hold that like that? Let me, like, from the front of the car. See how that fits. All right, so I want to be able to have easy bolt access, so we're gonna cut out some of this metal on the bottom, and yeah, that way we can just put a socket in and tighten it. We don't have to be, because I mean, it'd be impossible to send a wrench this far in. So we're gonna cut it with a hole saw. We're gonna cut it with a hole saw. We did just enough for a socket to fit in, and then a little bit of room. So we'll do that on each one of these guys. And yeah. Damn, bro. God damn. Just like that, just straight through. Just have safety glasses. Ah, that bitch. Ah, god damn.
Well, yeah, it's fucking hot.
Oh, Jesus, it's hot metal. Who would have known? I need eyeglasses. There's no way I can do that without glasses. You know what? I'm such an idiot, bro. Like, this is the best protection I have from the hot metal that's flying. Ah, it's hot. It's all over my arms. Ah. All right. I'm gonna get my welding jacket. That's one hole through. So that's the idea. Just enough to get a socket in there and tighten it down. Do the same thing over here. Should be good. All right, so we have all the holes drilled so that we can be able to access the nuts. There, we try not to get carried away on that one. Those two. All right, so now it's time to mount the wing. I think we're done, pretty much, with that at least. I don't know if we'll get to the splitter today, but we'll at least get the wing on, and then we'll probably wrap it. I gotta get some bolts. Yeah, so I guess you can just hold this. Can you hold that there?
Wait, should we close it? No, we'll just check it.
It doesn't look too bad.
Yeah, I mean, it's not like, super obnoxious.
Yeah.
It's huge, but...
I think in black it'll look a lot better.
Yeah, I agree.
So we're gonna put the rest of the bolts in. Some of them didn't match 100%, which is fine. That one matched. Oh, shit. That one matched for the most part. That one's a tiny, teeny bit off. Just fine. We'll just put the drill in there and just kind of drill it out a little bit. Same here. If it didn't match up 100%, we'll just run the drill through it, push it straight through that hole, and or force the screw in. All right, so we're gonna finish bolting it up, and then we'll start wrapping it afterwards.
So thin as shit.
Yeah, what the bro? Okay, hold up. Oh, maybe this is for the squeegee as lube.
We need a heat gun now.
Yeah. All right, so the wing is mounted and it looks pretty good, I'd say. I should have got it powder coated. This wrap sucks. The wrap that they sell is just absolute garbage. Matt did a terrible job tucking it.
Oh, dude.
Look at that side
No,
compared to this side.
You did that.
No, tucking this, the front side. But it looks pretty good. It looks great. But yeah, I should have got it powder coated black. All in all, not that terrible. So yeah, my biggest thing is the trunk flexes a lot, which is why you do chassis mounted wings. But I guess we'll just work on probably reinforcing it sometime in the future. But yeah, I think that's it, right? Are we gonna put the splitter on? Yeah, I think we're gonna call it at that. Yeah, we're gonna call it at that. We installed the wing, the splitter's gonna have to go on another day. But that's everything. That's mounted, that's ready to go, ready to race. I think we're good. But yeah, that's it.